All right, guys, we got the Carbinox. This is the Blaze Type R, and man, am I excited to get into this. I am an avid Apple Watch wearer, and I decided to pick up a Carbinox because we're going to be changing some things up. It says, we have built the perfect companion for your most challenging tasks and environments. And I'm going to be honest with you, I need something a little different, doing a lot of working out and want to not beat up my Apple Watch. I have some really nice bands for it. So I went with something that is going to be durable and reliable beyond reality, because that is what the Carbinox brand stands for. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what we are working with. Really nice packaging. I love that. So they got it right out the bat. So it has dual GPS system, smart compass, altimeter, and barometer, 170 plus sports modes. So you can do everything with it. It has health sensors and Bluetooth calling all within the actual unit itself. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Now, I like to give a quick comparison. I went with the circular view. I am a big avid Apple Ultra 2 watch wearer, and I just thought to myself, you know, we're going to change things up. And we're going with something that is circular, looking like a normal style watch. So I went with this. Okay, right off the bat, definitely got some nice weight to it overall. So that's the way it comes here. You got buttons, looks like some buttons on the left side of the crown. And then also you have buttons on the right side of the crown. Super cool. Let's go ahead and take off this cover. Okay, drop that right there. And then you can see the actual face itself. That's pretty nice looking, I'm not going to lie. You do have your sensors on the underneath of it, so you can see just like you would have with your Apple Watch. You're going to have that similar style sensor on the bottom. So for reference and comparison, there is your size difference. So obviously just a nice round version in comparison. Going to work more watch-like. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in the package itself. Right here, you got your little information instruction manual for the Blaze Type R. We have our charging port. So it does use its own proprietary charging. So that is something I'm going to have to get used to. So I'm going to have to make sure, and it looks like it's going to set on in one specific way. I do believe, let's see if we can get it right. Yep, just like so. It's going to set on there. And that's the way it's going to be charging. So it has a proprietary charging piece, and that's going to plug into USB. So you want to make sure you know that. And then last but not least, you have your wristband. Nice, very stretchy plastic. I'm definitely digging that. And these look like they are spring-loaded here. That's kind of cool. So pretty neat little spring-loaded system here when it comes to the actual band to be able to put these on. I don't have any tools that comes with it, so let's go ahead and see about popping this on here. So we can take this all the way out and maybe get a first look at it on. So thinking I want to wear it like that. No, I want to wear it like that. Okay. So I believe all we need to do is just pop that in. And there's a little spring-loaded piece right here. Actually, we're going to go to the other side first. Okay, and then you have this little piece right here. Pop that down. And it pulls in the whole unit. And there you have it. Look at that. That is on just like that. So really, really easy to put on there. Let's go ahead and do the other one. So you're going to go to the side that does not have, see this little piece right here? I don't know if you can see that. There's a little piece right here on this side, and you're going to be able to push that in and make so you can just pop this on. So you find a little spot right here. And boom, now you're on just like that. Let's go ahead and see what she wears like. As far as the fit goes, curiosity here. And obviously, if I have to move it around, I can do that as well or change it up. Maybe I don't like it this way, I don't know. But I think this is the way we're going to want it. You got dual strap here to hold down the flap as well. And like I said, super malleable there. I like that aspect. I like that it's not There we go. Yeah, this is the right direction. So there you have it on. Looks really good. A nice, kind of like a flat black color look, and fits really well. It sits, doesn't set crazy high by no means, which makes it nice. Let's see if we can power it on for the first time, but let's go ahead and open up the book and see what that looks like. So they give you a little cover for the top and how to claim your benefits and instructions manual. So right there, so putting on the strap, tempered glass, and you have your up and down button, and please fully charge the watch before use. Let's see if we can just turn it on though. Let's see. There it is. Okay. So holding it down, and there you have it. And now I can select through the unit itself. Guys, this thing's super sweet. Looks really good so far, and I'm super excited to get into it. Check it out.